Papa Daddy. That smile. Hey, smile what? What? I know. Yeah? Tell me all about your day. Really? You talking already? What? Oh, what? What are you talking about? What are you talking about?
So Auntie sang me the song about the fly.
Fly?
A fly. And a spider that swallowed a fly.
Oh. Do you like spiders? You like spiders, Focus? Huh? What?
But she thought it was the silliest song.
What are you talking about? Are you telling me about your day? Can you tell me about your day? Oh, what? Oh, that bad, huh?
Let me tell you, on Friday they gave me the shot.
You have a shot on Friday.
2 shots.
Did Mom say suck it up? She did. I know. She always said just suck it up. No.
Then gave me this fever.
Hey, look how beautiful you are. Look how beautiful you are.
See, this is Mommy's favorite outfit, the blue one. I only have 3 blue things. Everything else is pink.
You were talkative this morning, huh? Yeah. What?
She says, Daddy, I went poops. Haha, your turn.
No, did you poop? No, you're okay. I think you're okay.
You usually smell it.
What? What? No, don't cry. Don't cry.